Welcome to Ocean Journey Vlog. Today I'm diving into two super important safety procedures for anyone working with rescue boats. Dry start and crush stop. What exactly are they, why do they matter, and what rules do you need to know? Stick around, let's get into it. First up, what is a dry start of a rescue boat engine? A dry start means firing up your engine without water cooling. Usually this happens during routine testing, when your rescue boat is out of the water. Here's the catch. If you try this with an outboard motor, you risk damaging the impeller and overheating. Not good. But for inboard engines, regulations say you can run them dry for up to 5 minutes. That's straight from the LSA Code Chapter IV, Section 4.4. Now let's talk about crush stop, or crash stop as some call it. This is an emergency move where you shut down the engine or reverse its direction immediately to stop the boat fast. Think collision risk or a man-overboard situation. It's a lifesaver but also tough on the engine, so follow those manufacturer guidelines to the letter. Why bother with these drills? Simple. Dry starts let you quickly test your engines during drills, make sure they're ready for real emergencies, and you don't have to launch the boat every time. Crush stops help prevent collisions, slash your stopping distance, and keep your crew safer during actual rescues. Of course, these aren't just best practices, they're requirements. Under SOLAS, Chapter 3 and the LSA Code, rescue boat engines must run out of water for 5 minutes, and boats have to be capable of rapid maneuvering and stopping. Don't forget, periodic testing and training drills are mandatory, and you'll need proper documentation for compliance. Knowing dry start and crush stop could literally save lives at sea. If this helped you out, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Ocean Journey Vlog. Got questions about launching procedures or engine maintenance? Drop a comment below.